GOEV stock tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Cano Incorporated is sitting a good 12 cents. It's 5% now, which is cool. So where are we heading next? First of all, I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of square predictions. With GOEV specifically, it is a proper bearish market. Like, this is a proof of me calling it out beforehand. This, I'm keeping it still on the chart. I'll actually show you the before video. Right, so 21 hours ago, this thing was when it was made. This is how it looked like. It's not that I'm actually going to trade this market, but more so just highlight some of this. That's about it. You know what's happening right now. Exactly that. Obviously, I said, like, I'm not going to trade it because it's not an environment that I'm willing to trade, but I'm just saying, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. See you in the next one. Goodbye.